before going for leave. We're going to Iceland this week. I am excited. This is the hospital that I work. I'm based in Houston, Texas. Let's go to work, guys. Last shift before going for leave. I'll be off for 1 month. I'm working as a nurse here in the US and I work night shift. It's so rewarding to work as a nurse, guys. And I love my schedule because I work 12 hours shift and 3 times per week, and we have off for 4 days.
Oh, Sarah.
Log out.
I'm logging you out.
Hello. My last shift is over. I'm officially on leave right now. Good morning from Houston, Texas. I'm so excited, guys. See you in Iceland. We are now heading home and pack our things for our Iceland trip. I'm so tired. Hello, guys. Currently, I'm packing my things for my Iceland trip. So, this will be my main jacket. It's a thick one from the North Face. This is my jacket when I was still living in Ohio. And I also have my collar jackets. I have the yellow one, I have the red one, I have the blue one. This is a rainproof pants. I also have a rainproof jacket. I'm also gonna bring this sling bag, guys. And my day backpack. These are waterproof, so just in case it will rain in Iceland, my gadgets will be protected. May binili akong car mount. Magdadrive kami dun sa Iceland. So gagamitin ko to pang take ng video while nagdadrive. Tapos pang navigation. It's only $2 sa Ross. Ano, it's $5 pala. $5. So not bad for a car mount. Hello, guys. Today is October 3rd and currently papunta ko ngayon sa dog park. Dalhin ko lang yung mga aso ko doon para maglaro sila doon at magtakbuhan. Kasi the next day, punta na tayo ng Iceland and may iwan sila dito sa US.
Mile, turn right.
We are now in the dog park. Ilabas ko lang yung maso para maglaro sila dun. Today is a sunny day. Ang ganda ng weather, guys. See? And currently it's 5:46 p.m. in the afternoon, in the evening. Let's go. Hello guys, currently I am preparing my dog's food. I'm gonna board them to a dog hotel habang wala ako dito sa Amerika. Finish naman ka-eat! Finish naman ka-eat! I'm currently going to Bel Air. Bili lang ako ng sunblock for the Iceland trip. And currently it's 7:21 p.m. in the evening. Hello guys. Currently we're in Bel Air Boulevard. Para siyang Chinatown dito sa Houston. So we're gonna buy sunblock for tomorrow's trip. Sana open pa sila. They're still open. Nakabili na ako ng sunscreen guys. So it's $19.47. Hello guys, good morning. Currently it's 5:55 a.m. in the morning and today is October the 5th and today is our flight going to Iceland. I woke up early kasi kailangan kong i-board or dalhin ko yung mga aso sa dog hotel. So dun sila magstay habang wala ako dito sa US. And we're gonna feed them and walk them before bringing them to the hotel. Nasa kotse na yung mga aso. Mag-drive na tayo papuntang dog hotel. Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa kotse. At yung mga aso nandito na sa loob. It's 7:06 a.m. in the morning. We're gonna drive going to the dog hotel and board them. See you there. Hello guys, nandito na tayo sa dog hotel. Hindi kayo pwedeng sumama sa Iceland. Here.
Oh, hi there.
Hi, hello.
I'll go ahead and take them out to a potty yard now.
Bye. Hello guys, naboard ko na yung mga aso sa dog hotel and we're back home now. It's currently 7:41 a.m. in the morning and our goal is to leave the house before 8:30 a.m. to the airport. So, let's go! Hello guys, final look sa mga dadalhin ko. So, meron akong isang check-in luggage, isang cabin bag, isang backpack, isang sling bag na pwede kong ilagay sa loob ng backpack, at isang jacket. So, ito sila lahat, guys. And currently, it's 8:55 a.m. in the morning. Let's go to the airport, guys. We are now in the car. Let's go to the airport. Come on.
Champions Arbor Drive, then turn right onto Hargrave Road.
Hello guys, dumaan ako ng hospital kasi apparently nung last duty ko nakalimutan kong mag-clock out and I need to fix my time card before Monday. So I'm here in the hospital right now and now we're going back to the airport.
You have arrived.
Hello guys, so nandito na tayo sa airport parking. So iwan ko yung kotse ko dito and we're gonna ride shuttle bus going to the airport. Come on. We're now waiting for our shuttle bus going to the airport. Ito yung airport shuttle na magdadala sa atin sa airport guys. So free naman siya, walang bayad. So, we already got our valet ticket. We're now heading to the airport. So, it's gonna take probably like 5 to 10 minutes to the airport. It's 10:13 a.m. So, yung flight natin is 12:10. So, we still have like 2 hours. Okay lang guys kasi naka-TSA pre-check naman tayo. Hello guys, we're now in the airport and we're gonna check in our luggage. Hanapin muna natin yung counter kung saan tayo mag-check-in. Our airline is JetBlue going to Boston. Nakapila na ako ngayon. So we're gonna check in our luggage. We're going to Boston and Boston going to Iceland. Hello guys, we already passed the security check. Mabilis lang siya guys kasi naka TSA pre-check ako plus clear. So right now, we're heading to Skyway. Punta muna tayo ng American Express Centurion Lounge. Mag-lounge muna tayo doon, mag-breakfast. We are in Terminal A guys. Yung flight ko is dito mga galing sa Terminal A. Pero yung American Express Centurion Lounge nasa Terminal D. Pasakay tayo ng Skyway papuntang Terminal D para mag-breakfast sa Centurion Lounge. Skyway going to Terminal D.
Take a ride. Like when we were at Disneyland. So, you take a ride. Okay, you gotta grab onto something.
Isi-serve na daw nila yung lunch after 10 minutes. So, hintayin na lang natin. Hello guys. Hindi ko na hinintay yung lunch sa American Express kasi yung boarding time natin is within 35 minutes na. Baka hindi pa tayo makaboard ng aeroplano. So, pagdating na lang sa Boston, doon tayo mag-Centurion Lounge. Boarding na tayo guys. So ang first flight natin is Houston to Boston. Tapos Boston to Reykjavik. We are now boarding guys. So ang first flight natin is going to Boston. We'll be having our layover there and from Boston to Iceland. We are at the rear of the plane guys. So our seat is 27A. Where is it? It's right here. Hello guys, I'm now in my seat. So we are in 27A. Our flight to Boston will take 3 hours. Guys, we are now here in Boston. So we have a 4-hour layover before our flight going to Iceland. So currently we are in Terminal C. So we're going to Terminal E. Nandun yung gate natin papuntang Iceland. So we're gonna ride Iceland Air. Actually guys, plano kong lumabas ng airport kasi hindi pa ako nakapunta dito sa Boston. And we have 4 hours layover. So pwede pa akong lumabas, magpunta sa downtown. So let's see if kaya ng oras. I am going now to Terminal E. Starbucks. Bili muna ako ng Dunkin' Donuts coffee. So yung American Express Gold ko, meron akong free Dunkin' Donuts every month. So, yep, kuha tayo ng coffee. Dunkin' Donuts. Simulang umaga nung pagkagising ko, hindi pa ako nakapag-coffee. And antok na ako. So, let's see. Meron akong free Dunkin' Donuts from American Express Gold every month, guys. So, this would be my October credit. We are going out. We are going out of the airport, guys. So we're gonna go to downtown. I don't know how to go there. It's my first time here. So let's see. So we're gonna ride shuttle bus going to the express line, he said. So let's see. Nakalabas na ako ng airport, guys. So we have 4 hours layover here. We're gonna go to downtown Boston. Let's see kung anong nandun. So sabi ni Kuyang driver, take down natin yung Silver Line papuntang downtown. So ito na yun ata. Wait lang. Ay, nakalis na. So we're gonna take the Silver Line going to downtown Boston. Hello guys, nakasakay na tayong bus papuntang downtown. So hindi ko alam kung ano yung route ng bus. Basta sabi ko lang, baba ako sa South Station.
Terminal E, serving the following airlines: Air France, Allegiant, Aeromexico, Avianca, Azores.
Hello guys, we are now here in Boston South Station. So baba na tayo. Hindi ko alam saan pupunta. Siguro maglakad-lakad lang tayo sa downtown. And let's see if may mabili tayo dun or kain tayo ng dinner. Exit to the street. Hello, Boston! Wow! Boston, Massachusetts. Hello guys, nakalabas na tayo ng South Station. So we're now in downtown Boston. Hindi ko alam saan tayo papunta, pero gusto ko maglakad-lakad. 4 hours layover in Boston. Siguro maghanap tayo ng restaurant na makakainan, guys. Or baka sa airport naman tayo kumain. Guys, ang lamig dito sa Boston. Namiss ko tuloy yung Ohio. Before ako lumipat sa Texas, sa Ohio ako nakatira for a year. And ang lamig dun. Nandito ako sa shop, guys. Plano kong bumili ng ref magnet. are now heading back to the airport. It's already 7 p.m. and our flight going to Iceland is 8:50. Baka maiwan tayo ng aeroplano. Balik tayo doon sa Silver Line, tapos sakay tayo ng bus papuntang airport. Siguro it will take like 30 to 35 minutes. We are now waiting our bus to airport. We're gonna take the Silver Line. We're now back in the airport, guys. We're going to Terminal E. Our flight to Reykjavik, Iceland is 8:50, but the boarding start at 8 p.m. So we're now walking to Terminal E. I'm in Terminal A, guys. Mali yung nababaan ko na terminal. Nakapag-check-in naman na tayo. May boarding pass na ako. So ano na lang, daan na lang tayo sa security check. Going to Terminal E. This way. Guys, pala ako nakapag-dinner. Kasi nag-enjoy ako sa kakalakad sa downtown. So baka sa aeroplano na tayo mag-dinner. Ang laki pala ng Boston Airport. Hopefully makaabot tayo sa flight natin. Dadaan pa tayo sa security check. We're now in Terminal E, guys. Grabe. We are now entering the security checkpoint, guys. So baka hindi na ako makapag-vlog. So we're gonna line sa TSA pre-check, guys. I already passed the security check. Hindi naman ganun kahaba yung pila, hindi katulad sa Houston. We're now going to our boarding gate. It's E7. Hopefully hindi siya malayong lakaran. Ganito yung sinakyan ko nung papunta akong London, A380. Nakikita ko na yung boarding gate, E7. Hindi pa naman boarding. I'm already here in the boarding gate. So, nag-start na kami mag-board. Magpahuli na lang ako, guys. Pahinga muna ako. Grabe yung takbo ko. We are now boarding our plane to Iceland. Na tayo, guys. We're now inside the plane. So yung seat natin, guys, is 30G. Baka dito tayo sa kabila. Sorry. Hello.
Where's the seat?
30G.
30G?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Ang bait niya. Oh.
So that's further down that one.
Okay,
30.
thank you.
Yeah.
Hi.
What's your seat number?
30G.
Alright.
Nasa loob na tayo ng aeroplano, guys. Grabe, I'm so tired. So our flight time is 5 hours and our landing in Reykjavik is 6 a.m. in the morning. See you there. Yung friend ko pala from Ohio, USA. Magmi-meet kami doon. Kasama ko siya mag-tour sa Iceland. Naka-board na lahat, guys. Tapos wala akong batabi. So baka matulog ako the whole flight. Let's see. Pleasant journey. Pa-take off na tayo. be planing. Grabe, super lamig. I'm now heading to the immigration. Sunod lang ako sa kanila. We are now in immigration, guys. Bawal na yung camera dito. Passport control. We already now passed the immigration. Mabilis lang siya. Tinanong lang kung ilang days ako dito. Tapos tinatakan na yung passport ko. Punta na tayo sa baggage claim. Yung friend ko, hindi pa siya nakaland. Magkikita kami sa arrival. Galing din siya ng US. Bumili ako ng tubig dun sa stall, guys. Tapos hindi pala pwede kasi for departure lang daw yun. Pag arrival, dun ka sa arrival bibili. May ganun pala dito. So after kukunin yung luggage ko, I'm gonna pick the car that I rented in Hertz. We're gonna drive here in Iceland. Nandito na ako sa baggage claim. After kukunin yung luggage ko, we're gonna pick the car. Hindi ko pa alam saan natin kukunin yung kotse, pero let's see. So yung car na nirent ko, I paid 67,602 ISK or Iceland currency or $498 US. So nasa mga 28,000 pesos siya for 7 days na yun. Screenshot ko na lang, guys, para makita niyo. Hello guys, so apparently naiwan yung luggage ko sa Boston. So nagpunta ko sa baggage services, nag-file ako ng lost baggage. So hopefully sabi nila i-deliver na nila yung luggage tomorrow sa hotel. Courtesy ng Iceland Air, guys. So may binigay sila sa akin na address. Punta daw ako dito. Pwede akong mag-rent for free ng jacket, outdoor pants, backpack, pants, gloves. Kasi guys, yung mga jacket ko nasa maleta ko. So wala talaga akong masuot. So ang bait ng Iceland Air, guys. So ipakita ko lang daw itong baggage or file reference. And binigyan din nila ako ng tawag nito, parang kit toiletries. Ang bait nila dito, guys. So meron silang padamit, toothbrush, supply, shaver, shower gel. Yung mga maleta ko, guys, naka-airtag siya. So yung location is nasa Boston, wala dito sa Iceland. So I know na hindi talaga siya nasakay sa aeroplano. Hello guys, we're now looking for pocket wifi. We're not sure if meron dito, pero baka meron. Let's see. Hello guys, nakapila kami ngayon sa Hertz. Kukunin namin yung rental car namin.
Sir, over here, is this the key drop right here? I don't know, I see something right here.
We're picking up our rental car here in Hertz. We're still in Keflavik Airport and we're heading to downtown after we get our car. Tayo na yung next sa pila, guys. We're now getting our car rental, guys. So we book on Hertz. Lalabas na kami sa airport. Oh my gosh. Hello guys. Nakuha na namin yung susi ng rental car namin. So, we are now looking for our rental car. Grabe guys, ang lamig. Ito na yung rental car namin, guys. Kia.
Ay, wala pala akong maleta.
phone holder. Nandito sa ano. PJ is driving in Iceland.
Turn left.
We are now driving in Iceland. So guys, this is Iceland. Look at that, this province of Reykjavik. And this is my driver for today, PJ. And look at the view. Hello guys, we're now walking here in downtown Reykjavik. So we're looking for the shop. It's a rental shop that will give us free rental of the jacket because I lost my jacket. Hello guys, nakapila kami ngayon sa ano siya, parang siyang bake shop. Famous bake shop siya dito sa Iceland. So we're gonna try their bread. Besh, my friend from Ohio. Ohio Disaster.
Pwede naman ikaw sa coffee, ako sa burger, ako sa coffee.
Sige. So we're gonna try the famous cinnamon roll here in Reykjavik.
Ayun ang cinnamon roll.
Sarap siya guys.
Kasing sarap na natikman ko noon last week.
Hello guys, we are now walking to the famous church in Iceland. We are now here in the famous church in Iceland. I'll put the name because I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, it's a really beautiful place. Hello guys, we bought a tower ticket. So, akit kami sa pinakataas ng Hallgrímskirkja Church. So, makikita mo yung buong downtown ng Reykjavik. We're now here in the elevator. And see you there. Thank you. Thank you so much. Floor number 8. We're going to the tower. We're now going upstairs. So we're gonna see the whole city of Reykjavik. Wow! Hello from Iceland. in the famous Rainbow Street here in Reykjavik. The church view right there. Very touristic area, guys, but it's safe here in Iceland. Hello guys, we're buying rough magnet for souvenir. Iceland. I'll take this one. Room tour here in Iceland. We have extra bed upstairs. Our kitchen and bathroom. Wow. Hello guys, we are here in Lava Cave. We drove 30 minutes from downtown Reykjavik and now we're walking going to the Lava Cave. Super convenient talaga guys na may kotse dito sa Iceland kasi kahit saan pwede mong puntahan on your own pace. Diba? Oh, we're now here in Lava Cave. We're going inside. And oh, they also have one here. We drove 30 minutes from downtown Reykjavik to here. So we're now going inside the Lava Cave. Oh. Wow. Oh my god. It's so long. Huh? May flashlight ako. May flashlight ako dito. Ha? Yung sa cellphone mo. So we went here inside and here.
Oh my god! Imbes na lava cave, naging lava walk.
We're now back in downtown Reykjavik and we're looking for a restaurant. We're gonna eat dinner. Ito gosh, ice cream pala ito. So we're now ordering our dinner. We're here in Fajar Husid. I ordered fish and chips.
You like something for drink?
I got my luggage, guys. Naiwan siya sa Boston. So, he's with me now. I'm so happy.
Mag-drive papunta doon. Tulog ako sa ano.
Sige.